Cubiio 2, a revolutionary laser cutter and engraver. Light and portable, quick and easy. You can draw anything. Preview your work. Start with a beautiful fountain pen. Cubiio 2 can easily engrave on curved surfaces. Make a special gift for your loved ones. Choose any picture, and you can make it happen. With the versatile Cubiio 2, the Eiffel Tower is right in front of you. Bring your imagination to life.
That's why we made the micro 3D printer.
We started with a seamless design and we looked at all the existing 3D printers and we took everything that we liked and redesigned everything else. We knew that in order for them to really live up to their potential, that they had to be affordable and completely effortless to use. And several months later, we'd done it.
In addition to reducing the size and the weight of the box, we also reduced the power consumption by about a factor of 10 compared to professional 3D printers.
By making it more power efficient, you basically reduce your costs of every component. It becomes lighter, the electronics become more affordable, everything drops. We use auto leveling and auto calibration so that you're never messing with the printer. We decided we had to provide software that just makes it really easy. So we have a library of existing parts and select what you want, just hit print.
People can use other sources for their filaments or they can use ours, and it goes both ways. Other people with different printers can buy our filaments as well. The micro 3D printer is for everyone. We designed it to be perfect for beginner users but also for expert users. Of course, they're already very useful today. You can use it for things like replacing a shower hook or building real prototypes or even functional parts, replacements for things around your house, for example. And that's just scratching the surface of what 3D printers are capable of.
We want, a printer in every single house, but in order to get there, we're going to need the Kickstarter funds to make the molds. A lot of people are going to get a printer as their reward, but what they're really doing is they're helping us get started and they're creating a new brand with us.
We need a 3D printer like the Micro, something that's ultra affordable, to get lots of printers out there.
This is a faster desktop FDM 3D printer. Users can select up to 2 or 3 times the average printing speed. And it can save up to 30% of printing time on average. Aeolus Heat Dissipation System, AHDS, is a highly efficient heat dissipation system with its own uniquely developed 4-fan structure design, which can effectively cool the printing nozzle from all angles, increasing efficiency of heat dissipation by 42% to ensure its printing quality and speed. S-Move System, SMS, is a high-speed move system of LOTMAXX motors, which can ensure fast printing speed and balance in movement. LOTMAXX SC10 Shark is not only a faster 3D printer, but also a multi-purpose 3D printer. Laser engraving and bicolor printing add-ons can add laser engraving easily. No need for complicated recoding and testing. It is plug and engrave. And it can add bicolor printing too. It makes 3D printing much easier and more interesting. LOTMAXX SC10 Shark is a very easy-to-use 3D printer. It is the best choice for both beginners and professionals. 5 minutes to assemble. Supports intelligent auto leveling for easier leveling. And 8 UI languages. Its ultra-silent drive TMC2208 can decrease the printing noise dramatically. And its night mode can decrease all the key sounds and mute the filament alarm. The filament sensor can pause and resume from a stopped print from power loss, or avoid wasting molds and save more printing time. Its high quality is in its every detail.
That's why we made Paladin, an all-metal SLA 3D printer that is simple and easy to use right out of the box, starting from only $299. It is made entirely of aluminum alloy for lightweight and strength. Its automatic leveling system makes printing prep easy. The auto refill resin adds speed and convenience. And its built-in air purifier eliminates bad odors and keeps the printing environment safer. In addition to its user-friendly features, Paladin uses a dual Z-axis design for high precision, accurate printing, and reliable consistency. We provide 3 unique types of resins: Standard, Touch, and Castable. Now you can have more options for your printings. Whether you are a beginner or pro, you will find Paladin is super easy to use. Simply drag the printing file to the USB drive, plug it to the printer, press the start button, and it is all set. Then watch your creation come to life. With Paladin, anyone can begin 3D printing today and achieve incredible results for design, prototyping, artwork, or fun. Let's make it together.